Ash Mufareh is a visionary. He is the driving force behind Onpassive. This company uses the power of artificial intelligence. It is changing the way businesses work. Mufareh's journey is inspiring. He shows us the power of AI and automation, but his vision goes beyond business. He wants to help people grow. He believes in achieving our full potential. Mufareh understands the challenges people face. He knows that personal growth is a journey. It's about embracing change. It's about learning from our setbacks. Mufareh's own experiences have shaped his beliefs. He wants to share his wisdom with the world. Onpassive is a testament to Mufareh's vision. It's a platform that empowers individuals. It provides tools for success. But it's more than just technology. It's a community. It's a place where people can connect and grow together. Mufareh's leadership is about more than just profits. He is creating a movement. He is inspiring countless individuals. He shows us the power of technology. He helps us unlock our true potential. But before we continue, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Personal growth is a journey. It requires a strong foundation. Ash Mufareh outlines 4 key principles. These pillars guide us towards our goals. First, we need a growth mindset. This means embracing challenges. Setbacks are opportunities for learning. We must constantly strive for improvement. Second, clarity of purpose is crucial. Define your goals. Create a roadmap. This clarity will guide your actions. It will fuel your motivation. Third, break down large goals into smaller steps. This makes them more manageable. It helps you stay on track. Celebrate your small victories. Finally, never stop learning. Stay curious. Seek out new knowledge. This is essential for personal growth. Embrace new skills and perspectives. These 4 pillars provide a framework. They help us navigate the path to success. By embracing these principles, we unlock our potential. We can achieve extraordinary things. Onpassive is a game changer. It's more than just a business platform. It's a powerful tool for personal growth. It empowers individuals to achieve their dreams. Onpassive's AI-driven tools are innovative. They automate tasks and streamline workflows. This frees up time for personal development. It allows you to focus on what matters. But Onpassive is more than just technology. It's a community of like-minded individuals. It's a supportive ecosystem. Members share knowledge and help each other grow. This sense of community is invaluable. Onpassive provides the resources you need to succeed. It offers training programs and support systems. It empowers you to take control of your future. It helps you achieve financial freedom. Whether you're an entrepreneur or simply seeking personal growth, Onpassive has something to offer. Its tools and community provide a solid foundation. It helps you reach your full potential. Section 4. Triumph over adversity. Inspiring stories of resilience and growth. Ash Mufareh's journey is filled with challenges. He has faced setbacks and obstacles, but through it all, he has persevered. His story is an inspiration to us all. Mufareh's resilience is admirable. He teaches us the importance of staying motivated. He shows us how to turn challenges into opportunities. His story resonates with anyone who has faced adversity. Throughout his career, Mufareh has helped countless individuals. He has empowered them to overcome their own challenges. He has shared his wisdom and guidance. His impact on the lives of others is immeasurable. Mufareh's story reminds us that success is not a straight line. There will be ups and downs, but with determination and a positive attitude, we can overcome any obstacle. Section 5. Shaping the future, AI and the next frontier of personal development. AI is transforming our world. It has the potential to revolutionize personal growth. Ash Mufareh is at the forefront of this revolution. Onpassive is leading the way in AI-powered personal development. It provides cutting-edge tools and resources. It helps individuals harness the power of AI. It unlocks new levels of growth. The future of personal growth is exciting. AI will play an increasingly important role. It will provide personalized insights and guidance. It will empower individuals to achieve their goals faster. Ash Mufareh's vision is clear. He sees a future where AI empowers everyone. It will help us reach our full potential. It will unlock a world of possibilities. In conclusion, Ash Mufareh's insights are invaluable. His principles of personal growth are timeless. Onpassive is a revolutionary platform. It empowers individuals to transform their lives. The future of personal growth is bright. Embrace the power of AI. Unlock your full potential. Join the movement today. For more information about Ash Mufareh and Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and I hope you have a great day.